In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print multiple per page in Canva. This is really handy if you're creating things like labels, stickers, flashcards, business cards, or any small design that you want to repeat several times on a single sheet of paper. I'll walk you through the whole process, step by step, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your Canva design in the editor. This can be any design you've already created or a new one you've just started. Once the editor is open, click on the specific design element you want to print multiple times per page. This might be a single card, a tag, or a sticker layout. With that element selected, look for the duplicate icon in the toolbar. When you click this, Canva will create an exact copy of your design element. Go ahead and keep clicking duplicate until you've filled a row or a column across your page. Take a moment to adjust the spacing so that the copies are aligned nicely and not overlapping. A neat layout here will make your final printout look much more professional. If you want to speed things up, once you have one full row or column set up exactly how you like it, click and drag to select that entire row or column. A floating toolbar will appear, and from there, click Group. Grouping turns all those separate elements into a single unit, which makes them much easier to manage. Now that they're grouped, you can duplicate the entire row or column just like you did with the single element. Click the duplicate icon again, and then drag the new group into place. Repeat this process until your page is filled with as many copies as you need. Take your time to line everything up and make sure there's enough space between each design for cutting, if that's necessary for your project. When you're happy with how your page looks, you're ready to download it for printing. Go to the top right corner of Canva and click the Share button. From the drop-down menu, choose Download. Under File Type, select PDF Print for the best print quality, or choose another format if that better fits your needs. Once you've selected the file type, click Download and wait for Canva to finish preparing your file. After it's downloaded, open the file from your Downloads folder, check that everything looks correct on the page, and then print it using your printer settings. And that's all you need to print multiple designs per page in Canva.